Hi there and welcome to this video where we might be insulating the most important room in your house, and that is the attic. It's what I like to call the last line of defense against losing heat. Why? It's very simple, because heat rises. The attic's at the top of the house, and basically that's where it naturally wants to get out. Now, if this was your house, an older home, it might look like this, where you already have existing insulation between the joists, between the rafters, and you might want to upgrade it. Also, if this were a new addition, you'd actually have to upgrade it, because new additions by code now require an R50 or more rating. So to get an R50, if you're whether an addition or your old house, the first bat is an R22, let's say. So how do we gonna get it to a 54? Well, it's very simple. All we have to do is take an R32 and lay it on top, perpendicular to the old insulation. Now, why is this good? Two reasons. One, we're bringing our R rating up to 54. Two, we're also combating what's called thermal bridging. Now, what is thermal bridging? Thermal bridging is basically the transfer of hot and cold through solid products. So, for example, if this were not on top of this rafter, this joist, any cold that would be in the air here would actually be transferring through the wood itself and bleeding into your house, and the heat also would be escaping. So what's the importance? Again, bringing up your attic to code and also stopping thermal bridging. And should you encounter an obstacle such as this, ROCKWOOL insulation is very rigid. It is made out of stone and slag, very easy to cut using a bread knife, a serrated bread knife. Notch it out, pop it in, making sure everything's nice and tight and all your seals are together. So that's about it. My recommendations, first of all, I forgot one more thing, which is I should have said from the very beginning. When you're in your attic, be careful of where you're stepping, because if you step through here, you're through the ceiling of your house. So that's another problem you don't want to tackle. So step one, watch where you're going. Step two, start in a corner so you don't paint yourself into a corner. And step three, bring your insulation up to code for a very comfortable, warm, energy efficient, money saving house. Hope that video helps. Thanks.